The largest freshwater lake in India is? Answer is D. Vular Lake. When was the State Bank of India established? Answer is A. 1955. Who has become India's longest serving Chief Minister of India? Answer is C. Pawan Kumar Shamling. Which of the following is the largest public sector undertaking in India? Answer is D. Indian Railways. In which Olympic Games did Karnam Malleshwari become India's first woman to win an Olympic medal? Answer is D. Sydney 2000 Olympic Games. What is the national aquatic animal of India? Answer is C. Gangetic dolphins. Which instrument is used to measure humidity? Answer is D. Hygrometer. Who is the current Union Finance Minister? Answer is D. Nirmala Sitharaman. Which dam has been constructed across the Narmada River? Answer is A. Sardar Sarovar Dam. What is the full form of ICMR? Answer is C. Indian Council of Medical Research. Which country is known as Land of Midnight Sun? Answer is D. Norway. Which city in India is known as Leather City of the World? Answer is C. Kanpur. Which state in India is the largest producer of wind energy? Answer is C. Tamil Nadu. El Nino refers to a temperature anomaly in which ocean? Answer is A. Pacific Ocean. First Rajdhani train express ran from? Answer is B. New Delhi to Howrah. Water holding capacity is the highest in which soil? Answer is B. Clayey soil. The headquarters of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research (ICAR) is located at? Answer is C. New Delhi. Which schedule of the Constitution of India lists the state and union territories of India? Answer is B. First schedule. Which of the following Indian presidents served the longest in office? Answer is C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which of the following articles in the Constitution grant us the right to equality? Answer is D. Article 14 to 18. Part 4 of the Indian Constitution deals with dash. Answer is A. Directive Principles of State Policy. The Governor of the State of India is appointed for a term of? Answer is B. 5 years. Which of the following organisms releases molecular oxygen into water? Answer is D. Phytoplankton. Montreal Protocol is related to? Answer is A. Protection of ozone layers. The Battle of Khanwa was fought between. Answer is B. Babur and Rana Sanga. Which crop is known as the golden fiber of India? Answer is A. Jute. Which is the most fertile soil of India? Answer is C. Alluvial soil. Which crop is mainly grown in black soil in India? Answer is D. Cotton. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Answer is C. Kerala.